everyone. So today we received this parcel. Don't get confused by the Disney and Pixar cars roller races. This one is not. It's just a box. So we are going to find out what's inside here. And FYI, this two is sick. So that's why they look like that. So let's start.
Let's start with this. Don't get confused. Don't cut it like that. Snap, snap, snap. Put the back of this one. Wow.
So what do we have here? First things first, we have this from Monster High, Mattel, and Nickelodeon. Okay, so it says here, thank you for keeping it real with us at Monster High. Back to Skull Party, an exclusive movie screening of Monster High 2. So this one, you will receive a keep the spectacular fun going with your new friends, Fiends, on the latest collection, Monster High Skulltimate Secret Series 3. We've also thrown in an LED tablet, complete with Nickelodeon tablet sleeve, for you to write your own adventure, or create a monster of your own. So yeah, that's what it says here. Then we have, so this would be the cover with the tablet inside. So one button. So it says LCD Google Pad tips. Non-stop scribbling allowed. One button to clear screen. Savor your masterpiece. One button to lock screen. So as you can see, it has the Nickelodeon color mixed together with Monster High. So it has the Nickelodeon logo. And some of the Nickelodeon characters like Rugrats, SpongeBob, TMNT, all inside here. So inside here is a pouch. It's an LCD cover. So this is the LCD tablet. So this is what it looks like. With Nickelodeon written back here. So it comes with a stylus. So it allows you to draw, scribble, and so forth, and then to clear.
Wait, you forgot the lock button.
Oh wait, the lock button. There's the lock button. To clear, you just need to press and it clears up. See, done. So that's one of it. So this one we are keeping it to one side first. Okay. So the next one is this tote bag. Actually a jute bag, but yeah, with the Monster High logo. Be yourself, be unique, be a monster. Not bad. And it's made of cloth instead of the typical plastic. So this one would be the piece de resistance of the whole thing. We received 3 different characters, and we do not know what characters they are, but yeah, I'll take this one and then we'll go to the other. So we start with this one first.
Wow.
So this one is
I know this.
Draculara. So it comes with a coffin, so that's why it's heavy.
Oh, I know. There's a character inside.
Yeah, so it comes with a coffin for them.
Oh, nice.
And yeah, you just need to open this up. This is a bit challenging to open, but yeah. Let's just try. Okay, but we'll see the characters first. So the next one is.
This is so much fun. I can just draw anything.
Why? Here. You're gonna break the box. Properly. So the next character we have here is.
Who's this?
think it's Frankie. I hope we get Frankie. Because Frankie is the name. Oh no, we have, this is Twyla. This one, if I'm not mistaken, is Dracula's daughter. And then Twyla, I think this one, she's a ghoul. Ghost. You see their own compartment, their own coffin. And I think the doll is stuck to this side here. So it says you can create up to 125 looks. And there are 19 pieces of accessories inside here. So as you can see, these are the first two.
No. The third one.
The third one, comes with one doll, one coffin, and one doll, one doctor, and 16 accessories. So this one is yes,
Frankie.
yes, the main character,
Yes.
Frankie. So
Frankie.
Frankie is Frankenstein's daughter. So she's the main character of this series. So we have her, and the other two. I was hoping we would get the werewolf. But yeah. So we can. These are the three. So for the unboxing of these, we will do another separate video. So just stay tuned for it. But anyways, this is what we get from Nickelodeon and Mattel. Got this tote bag, 3 dolls, and also this cover, the sleeve, together with the LED tablet, exclusively from Nickelodeon. So yeah, this is what we got, what we want. But, yeah. So this would be a very interesting opening unboxing for these 3 here. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, these two have something to say, which is
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And don't forget to hit the notification.
Notification.
thank you. See you soon. Bye.